Hey, guess what? It's another new update in Gorilla Tag. Yo, they changed the font for that. Or it looked like they did. Ambush. That's the new game mode. Alright, let's read the book. We're gonna check that out. Become shark. Dive into caves with our exciting new shark cosmetics. Watch out. You are not alone. In the water, check out the Splash and Dash pack. Monkey alert. Ambush, the newest game mode, is here. You will escape the chase or be caught unawares. Good luck. So let's check out caves. Let's check caves out. Oh my gosh. Let's check out caves. Caves. Whoa. Hold up. Let me go in my code real quick. I'm running to the computer so I can type my code in. Dude, this is insane.
I'm gonna try out the new game mode. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. We will try this out too. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Yo. I'm just gonna... Yo. This is cool right here. That's cool. Then there's Doug. There's little targets on the ground. There's stuff right there. Ooh, tents. That's cool. Yo, this is cool. They added a tent to the leaderboard. That's cool as well. Now, let's check out what's going on in canyons. Ooh, that's cool. Yo, what did they do to canyons, mate? Yo, there's a pool! Oh my gosh! There's a pool in canyons! There's a pool in canyons! No way! Oh my gosh, this is lit. This is so lit. Water slide down here. More tents. That's cool. Yo. I gotta do the water slide. Yo! That's lit! And I can't go up it, sadly. Don't ask. It's a challenge me and Sunny and Cold are doing. Yo. So let's check this out now. And then we'll check out every... Oh my gosh, the crystals have like a little glistening thing. Or like a little shiny effect. Go. Ooh. Yo, there's finally a computer down here. There's now a computer down here with the game mode switcher. Here's the crystal. Yo, wait, what is this? The fish food is back? Ooh. Yo, that's new. Yo, Sharky. Where are you going? Shark! Come here! Oh my gosh! Come here, Shark. Oh my gosh, the crate is literally floating. Oh my gosh, this shark is... Oh my gosh. There's a shark in caves. There's literally a shark in the caves. Bro, caves is all flooded now. Yo, this is freaking lit. Yo. And the shark won't even do anything. Oh wow, I didn't even notice these at first. But there's like fireflies in caves. Yo, this is actually lit. Wait. You might remember the attic. Attic. No! Attic! No, what did they do to my boy? For now? No, what'd they do to Attic? Yo. Nah, bro. Yeah, I own that now. Nah, bro, this update is lit right now. I gotta buy the free badge real quick. It's a little shark. The free badge is a shark. There's flags everywhere, dude. This update is amazing. Yo, I got the Sharky badge. This must be a balloon. Yo. This place is just completely empty now. Except for this. What is that? Like, wait, what is that doing there? Okay. Wait, what? What? Oh, that's so cool! Oh, little finger puppets. Yo. Oh. Pufferfish. Yo. That's lit. Little crap. Get off my nose, please. I guess he doesn't. Yo. What is this? What is this? Little monkey surfboard? I don't know. Yo. Yo, that's lit. Hold up. Hold up. Yo, the eyes, though. The eyes. Ooh. Oh, wait a second. It's girl's hair. Of course it is. Yo! Yo, this is lit. No, this is lit. So is this shirt. Yo. Iron Monkey! Yo, this is cool. Wait, what? This is... what? Yo, wait. No. No. Yo, that's cool. Okay, now the RC plane. Yo, that's cool. You can do some donuts with it. As long as you're not like a terrible plane driver either. That and that, which are last. Whoopsies. So this is the fur, which is pretty cool. And then, yup, it's a balloon. It's a balloon. It's a whale balloon. That's cool. So, those are the new cosmetics. New cosmetic. So now, okay. Yeah, if you go far away, it looks like a full-on new font. Okay, let's go to mountains real quick. Yo, what? Metropolis is still here. So let's go see what's new in there. Unless it's the same old, same old. Oh, it seems like there's it's changed. Basement? Cave, yeah. So the things on the buildings changed. So that's interesting. Okay. Let's go to mountains. Yo, oh my gosh, I love what they did to that. I love what they did to Secret Tunnel. Yo, what's in here? More ice to... Wait, what? Wait, what? Yo, mountains is melting! Mountains is melting! Mountains is melting! Yo, I gotta tell my friend Sunny and Cold about this. Mountains is melting. Mountains is actually melting. Yo, that's cool what they did at Secret Tunnel, though. I like how it's like, a shark right there. Okay. Yo, there's a pool at the end, but I bet you it's icy, because mountains is, of course, cold. Yo, this is crazy. Is it ice or water? Frozen. Yo, so it's like a frozen mountains. That's crazy. Yo, there's these monkey flags everywhere. I'm on my way up. Guys. Yo, there's these fishies spitting snow. I bet you it's supposed to be water, but it's cold, so it's snow. I don't know. Okay. Well, there was that one... I have to go check that out. What is it in mountains? Or, I mean basement, not mountains. Okay, that's crazy. Yo, it's one more layer up. Yo! I wonder if, like, It is. That's cool. Happened at second floor. Nothing. Okay. Let's go to clouds. Yo. 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 Oh my. Whoa. Yo. This is lit. No, this is so lit. Yo, that's like a... There's probably stuff up there, but I don't want to go up there right now. JK, I'm going up. Yo, that starts like greenish. That's cool. Yo. Yo, bro. There's a trampoline in here. That's cool. Sadly, nothing in here. Summer camp in here again. Yo, another Target thing. I might have to try out ambush soon. Okay. I'm forgetting beach. Attic! Yeah. Let me in. Let me in, attic. For some reason, it just says for now. I'm just gonna take one of those and eat it. Okay, beach. Yo, that's lit. Yo, bro. Intending on beach, maybe having more water, who knows? Yo, computer right here. Yo, now this is the summer fun. Now this is what we're talking about. Now this is what we're talking about, bro. Nah, you get slip and slides from everywhere. Woo, wow. Holy rug. Another slip and slide. Right into water. Ooh, shark. That's totally not that creepy, you know? It's probably for the theme. Yo, there's a trampoline right here. There's the giant cloud tree thingy. More flags. Dang it. Yo, this is insane. Like, look at it. It looks like its own font. If you go far away, you go, like, far enough away. Woo! Yo. Okay. I'm ready. For ambush. Yo, wait, what? They still kept them.
Don't go yet. Do this.
I'm shocked.
Alright, come on.
Why was bro taking me into the forest? Yo, hold up. I have to restart my game, I guess. That was your first look at my meta home. Yo. So this ambush. The new game mode. Is...
Wait, actually?
Why am I clear?
It's part of the update. Yeah, it's part of the update.
How do you get them to appear?
Get
Pluto.
Wait, where's the invisible guy?
Oh, he's invisible. Oh, that's what ambush is.
I didn't see any monsters in there.
Oh,
You look like a turkey.
well,
It's not a shark. You look like a turkey. Wait, there's a shark in
The new master, there's a shark.
He's literally invisible.
There's a flood. I'm gonna become monkey.
what? That was not there before.
This is a sick update, dude.
There we go. Am I invisible now, you guys? Guys, am I invisible?
You are invisible. What is this shark?
It's a shark. That's what the shark is. It's a shark.
Oh, thanks for the help, Logan.
Let's wreck this pool.
Yo,
Anyone want to do a challenge?
Am I still being chased?
this update is lit.
Do it. Ah, guys. I can fill your cup. I ran right into you, bro.
Douglas, come back, please.
Bro, let's get that white guy. Let's get that white noob.
Dude, I don't get the point of this game.
You can be invisible. It's like just tag, but you're invisible.
Oh,
What the hell? Oh. Teddy Grahams.
oh, okay.
How could it not be this good?
So it's normal tag, but when you're tagged by the invisibles, you become invisible. That's cool. And everything's louder.
Put both of your hands up.
What do you mean the update sucks?
I was hoping for freeze tag. I'm gonna hit you off. Dude, ready?
Honestly, freeze tag would have sucked. Because,
I'm
like,
gonna hit you so hard.
more than likely, you would just be frozen for, like, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And then the non-frozen people would go and unfreeze you.
No, the fuck they wouldn't. This is Gorilla Tag. Be serious with yourself. No, they wouldn't.
Yeah.
Freeze tag works.
Yeah.
hide, hide.
Nobody would
You're
try
all
to help
good,
you
tag.
in this game. Nobody would try to help you.
Oh shoot, there's an invisible person.
I like Reese's.
Yo, I can't wait for Sunny and Colt to get on, guys.
I can't wait for the next update.
Where's Douglas? Where's Douglas? Where's Douglas Theodore Douglas?
Where's Theodore Fifth? I was hoping Theodore's tag, guys. Freeze tag sounds better.
No, it wouldn't. Freeze tag, it wouldn't have gone better. Ambush is better. Yo! Oh my gosh! Look at what they did to poor Doug. Look at what they did to Doug. No, that's cool. That's cool.
There's a
Trampoline, Darth, a summer camp, balloons by the fire.
Yo, look at what they put on Doug. Look at what they put on Doug. This is cool.
Wait, they added something on Doug, supposedly? Oh my gosh, bro.
He can go diving. He can do.
Looks like he's about to go swimming.
I know.
Oh, wait, show me though.
Here, give him to me. Give him to me. Give him to me. I know where there's a pool in this map. Give him to me. Thank you.
I did not
Yeah, there's a
Oh my
pool.
god. Oh,
Yeah, they made us invisible.
Guys, I'm gonna try and get out of the map.
Okay, come over here. Come over here.
bro, I'm sad it's a limited time game mode.
Did you know that? Sharks
I know.
don't need water to
He's
breathe.
coming up.
Yo,
guys.
here it is. Dougie the buggy is now swimming.
Hold on, I wanna find a
He was
knockback.
swimming, bro. Let him swim.
What are you doing? Yeah, what is this new game mode, guys?
This game mode sucks.
I did not see any of you.
It does not suck. This update is actually kind of amazing.
I'll tell you that much, it's not the best.
I am alive. It just made them run.
Only if Attic wasn't murdered.
It was not me. It was not
Frick you.
the entire time.
Yo, I was the last person. Yay. Yo, can I get that?
You're weird. Alright guys, that'll end this video off before I get absolutely
She was 12.
murdered by this kid. Alright, like and subscribe and put your opinions on the update down in the comments.